Okay, now we are doing question number 4. We are not doing question number 3. We will leave question number 3 and we will do question number 4. A rare stamp is worth rupees 9,800 including a commission of 30%. Here commission. What is commission? For instance, that I bought a thing for 1,000 rupees and the dealer asks me that include a commission, you will sold it to the next person. So 1,000 rupees is the original price of a book. For instance, take a book. 1,000 rupees is the original price of the book and I keep 20% commission. So I sold it for 1,200. I sold it for 1,200. I kept 200 with me and 1,000 I had given to the dealer whose original book was. Okay? So that is called commission. Means in other terms it is called profit also. Okay? In other terms it called profit also. So commission of 30% for the seller. Calculate the original price of the stamp. Now again I will make the data. Stamp price is given to me 9,800. Commission percentage is given to me 30%. Original price question mark, commission amount question mark. I told you whenever it is in percentage we have to calculate the amount. So again commission is also given in the form of percentage, you have to calculate the amount. Here we will not use the formula to convert commission as we were using for converting profit. We will make our own formula. Commission is gained. If you look at the question carefully, commission is gained on this stamp. Okay, total worth is 9,800 including a commission of 30%. It means this is not the original price. 9,800 is with the commission amount of 30%. So I will calculate the commission amount on stamp price only. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, I will write convert commission percentage into commission amount. Amount of commission is equals to 30% of stamp price. Okay, whatever the stamp price is, it is 30% of it. So 30 percentage I will change. I will write denominator 100. Stamp price is given to me 9,800. Now 0 cancels from this 0 cancels from this 0. Now what is left? 3 and 980 is left. I will multiply. So it is 2,940. So the amount of commission, I am not writing again, you will write it, amount of commission is 2,940. Now original price formula I will make. They asked us to calculate the original price of the stamp. So they had given us a stamp price including the commission amount. So stamp price minus commission, I will get the original price of the stamp. So stamp price is 9,800. In the question it is given commission amount I have calculated 2,940. So what will be the original price of the stamp? Original price of the stamp is 6,860. Okay, so the original price of a stamp is 6,860 because the price was given with commission amount. I subtracted and I got the original price. I hope this is clear.